Hi, my name is Danielle Graham and I'm in Singapore today with Women's Weekly. I'm going to show you how to prepare a variety of mushrooms in a dish that I like to make called mushrooms with garlic butter. We have our king oyster mushrooms here. The beauty of all these mushrooms is in their shapes and sizes. They're very versatile. Go there. And we have our oyster mushrooms. Take these off and I'll just do it in half. Well, I like to just gently wipe off if there's excess dirt. I just like to use a paper towel to wipe it off. We're going to quarter these. Next we have our gnocchi. Just take off the ends of them and then we can just kind of like break them up. Other buttons. I like to slice them differently because you've got different textures, different sizes, which always makes it interesting. Okay, our shiitake. I like to keep the reserved water for these shiitake mushrooms. Great addition to sauces because it's really fragrant. Tastes really good.